Good morning, students. Hope you have done those exercises and you would understand how joints help you to perform actions. Yes? The next we are going to see is sense organs. Okay? When you open your EVS book to Unit 2, My Amazing Body, you would see sense organ topic. Below that, you would see a box. In the box, you would see lot of pictures. Just tell me or just think about what the pictures makes you to feel. Okay? When you see an apple, you want it to taste. When you see a doll, you describe the doll. When you see a tape recorder, you wanted to listen to the music. Yes? When you see a beautiful dog, you wanted to touch and see what does it do. Fine. Then, when you see a flower, you wanted to smell. So, all these things are inside the box. You need to think about it and then you need to see what are the sense organs. Okay? Hope you all know about sense organs. Let me just remind it to you. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and then skin. Among all these, skin is the largest sense organ. Okay? How do you tell that skin is the largest sense organ? Because skin is all over the body, so it is largest. For example, when somebody is touched or when somebody touches you, okay, or when somebody taps you or your friend, okay, when she taps you through by the shoulder, you can understand that somebody is tapping you. When somebody touches your hands, you can feel that somebody is touching. So you can understand that the sense is all over the body and so the skin is the largest sense organ. Okay? Let's move on to the functions. Okay? What does your eyes do? Your eyes see an object. Any object which you like or which you don't like. Okay? You see an object, any object through your eyes. Second one, your nose. Your nose gives you sense of smell. Wow, when you look into the flower, if you like the flower, you tend to take the flower to your nose and then check the fragrance. Wow, how does it smell? It's so beautiful. When you see jasmine, you take it to your nose and then you check the fragrance. It just smells so good. Yes? And example, when you are inside the kitchen or when you are in the hall, okay, your mother cooks something. What do you, how do you decide what the dish is? Yes, through your smell. Okay. Next, the third thing is ears. Ears are used for hearing. Anything you hear, you listen to your teacher's class, you listen to songs, you listen to your mother's voice, everything is to you through your ears, okay, which is very much useful. For example, when you're walking across the road, you see vehicles coming, moving here and there. So when the vehicle is at the back, they give you a horn. So through that, you know that some vehicle is coming at the back. So ears are very important. Fourth one is your taste, that is your tongue. Tongue is used for tasting. You eat things, you like certain dishes or snacks. How do you like it? Only by the taste. When you taste it, if you like it, you tend to buy it again and again. Yes? Yeah. This is the favorite sense organ for everybody because we wanted to eat. Yes? Okay. There are different types of taste which the tongues give you and then that is your tongue gives you so that you would tend to eat. The fifth sense organ is skin. Skin helps you to feel. Okay. Example, you are under a fan. Can we see the air? Can we smell the air? Can we hear the air? Yeah, sometimes through the noise. Yeah. But mostly we only feel the air. Yes? When the air comes, you tend to feel it. Wow, it's a beautiful breeze that comes down. Yes? So we feel air. Yes? And when somebody touches you, you feel it. When somebody pinches you, you feel it. Ah, it's paining. When somebody beats you, you feel it. Oh, somebody is hurting me. Yes? So all these things helps you to move forward and helps you to perform actions. Okay? Actions is that when you see, it is an action. When you taste, when you eat, it is an action. When you listen, it is an action. Okay? When you feel, it is an action. All these things are actions. So the sense organs are very much important for our body. Okay. Now, at the end of the session, I'm going to tell you, okay, about a picture. The picture is your, what I can say, okay, your chips, okay, or chocolate, or any burfi or something like that. When you see a burfi, okay, it is in front of the table and you are sitting. How do you describe the burfi? It's yellow in color or golden brown in color. You see it through your eyes. Then you tend to have a smell of groundnut. Yes, groundnut means verkadla. Okay, you tend to sense the smell. Yes, next. You wanted to taste it through your tongue or by your tongue. Then, when you bite with your teeth, you tend to hear the sound or the crunchy sound through your ears. You take it and then you feel it. You touch it with your hands that it is so crisp. Yes? So, all these things combine to form a perfect sense to perform an action, and you do it, you like it, you eat it, you see it, you describe it, you listen to the sound. Everything altogether goes with the sense organs. Yes? Now, I'm going to give you an activity. After the class, you go to your kitchen, ask your mom something to eat. Okay? Just look into the picture or look into the snack or eatable thing or rice, anything. You see it, you take it by your hand, you eat it and feel what are the senses and how do you feel it, how you can hear. Yes? For now, the session is over. Thank you.